siya diri no. Siguro siya. Okay mga foreign girl. Dapat gawas na kong sister Yvonne. Actually na ko sister Yvonne no. Nagkita na nagtubig izan. So pwede ka mag-take out diba? So, mga siyang fit samay. So nasa tulay. Fit samay ice cream for 50 baht. Dawawan niya. Take out. Kaya amag dining, diba? Nanood na mi sa sikat daw ni siya dili kinadayo. Close is midnight gabi wawan. Open at 9 p.m. Oo. Way tulat-tulat lang daw. Mana yung reason niya nang gipilahan siya is 2018 Michelin sa pani mga kuan recommended by openrice.com Bawong na Top Advisor sa pani Top 80 Asia 2020 o Best Ever Food Reviews. Ano siya? Diba? That's the reason. So, ano siyang entrance? Samay. Again, maraming salamat. Hello. Yeah, hi.
It's very nice.
Oo nga, karoon.
Wala.
Sharon Cuneta, bituin mo lang meaning.
Sharon Cuneta is my idol.
I love that. Bituin mo lang meaning. Sobrang very good song. And I love Beanie Beanie. You know
Yes.
Beanie? Beanie.
Ah, yes, famous in the
Beanie,
Philippines.
Sobrang maganda. And the best thing in the Philippines they have is
Yes.
Ann Curtis.
Okay, good.
I pass on her.
Ann Curtis is beautiful like me, Roth.
Wow!
Sharon Cuneta, you saw Sharon Cuneta in person?
What?
Sharon Cuneta.
Bituin mo lang. I know the one song. Balutin mo ako.
Yes, a famous song.
Naghiwaga ng iyong pagmamahal.
Yes, very entertaining. Thank you so much. Yes, akong idol ko. Parehaming idol, Sharon Cuneta. Wow, one ng all time.